Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I just got in my design team goodies for Color Rush Studio for, oh my gosh, how can I already say February 2026? And they are pretty, pretty, pretty. So I've got the main kit. I've got the bold kit, which is everything in the main kit, plus some extra goodies, and I have the acrylics kit. So I've got lots of things to show you. I want to jump right in because I need to get my fussy cut on. I've seen like a couple images and I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so the reason I left the tissue here is I was actually recently just doing a challenge because I am a challenge kind of girl. Love them. And yeah, we had to use tissue paper and I didn't have any cute tissue paper. So I'm keeping my Color Rush tissue paper because these things come up and I don't have them. Okay, I'm gonna put the goodies that I'll call it to the side, like the non-papers. So let's start with this. So there's this like a 6x12, borders and fussy cuts. Okay, so we've got these gorgeous florals. This reads, I hope you dance. That would be really cute across the top. A lot of hearts. And then look at how pretty and intricate that lace looks. So it's like black on pink. Pretty. Maybe I'll put that right there. Let's get into our paper. So our first one, and these are all exclusives for Color Rush Studio, which makes it so fun. You guys, most beautiful pink and white stripe in the background and all kinds of treats. Treats on treats on treats. And then the flip side, oh, okay. We've got 3x4 cards. Look at this beautiful piece of artwork right here. And I'm gonna be cutting it up. I'm gonna cut out that bow. Oh my gosh. The designer owner is going to be like, what are you doing to my things? Anyway, this gorgeous strip down here. I love this little lacy detail. Gorgeous strip here. Oh, it reads February. How cool is that? Hello, gorgeous. Ooh, I like hello, gorgeous too. That's so cute. That's a really cute idea. Okay, and now we've got a nice little fun geometric. But the thing that's really interesting, guys, this is pink and green. That is so cute. It almost looks like that the masonry work from back in the day. Did I show you both sides? No, okay. I still have to show you both sides on this. So it's super pretty there. Oh, paisley. That is so cool. And it's like deep teal tone. Very cool. Now we've got like that same deep teal tone. Like the colors carry throughout. Really pretty. But then this really kind of cool diamondy floral. Ooh, well, gonna have to work that out. This is that really nice, it's like a saturated celery green with white stripe, and it's on a diagonal, which is my favorite for matting. Now this piece, it's cool. So it looks really quilted. They're cute little squares. How big are they? Hold on, let me measure. I am measuring. One and a little more than 1.5. A little more than 1.5. So cute. You guys, look at some of these things. We've got this little bear and cupcakes. And oh my gosh, look at this little cup with a treat on the side. This book. So I am going to fussy cut some of them out. And the back side, I've got this for my back side. Super pretty. Nice plaid, kind of going aqua, and I think that's gorgeous. I'm not fussy cutting all of these out, so I'll be able to use a piece of it and then the other for something else. I just have to make some decisions. Okay. Now we've got this gorgeous, like Union Soldier blue-ish background with a white dot. Excuse me. What's on the other side? Oh, how pretty. Okay, this is so pretty. And I don't know if it matters which way it goes. I'm trying to see. Super pretty floral with a skinny pink and white stripe. I have 2 of these, so you get to see this dot here. Then this is, guys, what? Oh, I know what this pattern is called. Oh, it's right there. It is literally right there. Whatever. Slightly different saturation than this one right here. Super pretty. Looks like the wallpaper in my foyer as a child. Yes. Oh. Pretty, pretty. So we've got these florals on a plaid. Look at that pretty artwork. It looks watercolory. Ooh, I'm going to have to make some decisions there. Now I've got a diagonal plaid, which is cute. Oh my gosh, this is 1982 or 83. So pretty. So it's like aqua, but it's like sipping into a green. Love that. Ooh. And then this, we've got those patterns that we've already seen, but look at these florals that want me to cut them. And I have to cut like at least one. They're so pretty. And cute, cute teacups. Then we have this piece right here. So we've got this nice diagonal kind of a background, but we have these sweet little pieces here that almost read like a cameo to me. Oh, and then, oh, I will show you. We have a double of this one. Then this is the back side. So tone on tone, pink stripe, love that. And then we have got a multi-stripe, and the stripe also has kind of like a tone-on-tone plaid in it. That is absolutely a stunning color palette. Totally shows you what's in this kit right there. And then, I must have cut those, but I must have some of this. So what I could do is make sure I get, oh, this is painful. I might cut it like right here. So I make sure I get a tiny bit of this gorgeous stripe. And then because I want to be able to get a couple of these full pieces. Oh my word. Okay, I will stop faffing. I will start showing. And then finally, I've got this cute little confection sheet here. It's got pink and white stripes. I think it is gorgeous and beautiful in every way. So tasty. And then, oh, you guys, we already had this one. Where is this one? Okay, so it's this one right here, and we have a double. Perfect, because I was so concerned how I was going to use both. Okay, those are all of my gorgeous papers. Love this, love this. Okay, then check this out. We get a set of thickers. They are glitter letter stickers. They're chipboard. I don't see glitter fallout in the package. Really nice size. It's bold and it's pink and happy. We have got some numerics and some punctuation. Pretty, pretty. For our frazzles and ribbon, we have got white hearts on red, music notes, sweet little bows, and tiny little red Swiss dots. Cute. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get these out because I'm crafting with this right away. Oh my goodness, these are cute. These are these new? Are these new? These may be new. I don't know. I like these, and I think we need more of these. Okay. Oh, there's sticker on the back. Is that sticker? It is. Look. Okay. So we've got these layered felt hearts. Oh, are these ever cute? All right, that's new. Those are fun. I'll put those in my little tray so I can see them. I always use these later. Okay, then, oh wait, one more thing. We've got a set of die cuts that come in the kit. And this will help me know what I'm gonna fussy cut and what I will not be fussy cutting. Let's see. Let's pull them all out. All right, let's take a look. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Look at this. I can't get it. You guys, don't cut your nails or cut your nails. I don't know. Okay, sweet little dessert stand. A floral. Pretty little artwork for a cupcake. Here's another cupcake. Is it a smaller size or is it the same size? I'm good either way. Smaller size. We have got a letter, some teacups, a bouquet, more teacups. I love repeating elements. Some pretty little shoes, dessert, sweet little kitty in a cup, a dessert again, teacup, another teacup. Okay, stop it. Look at the hedgie. He's so cute. We have got a sweet little cookie, an envelope, a pretty cookie there, floral. Here's another floral in a different, tones that's going a little bit more rosy, a little more plummy. Oh, look Look at the little ticket. We have got a candy machine with hearts. A cute little, like, piece of pattern. You know how you tuck. We have got some music notes. Love. Journaling spots. Floral. Another floral piece. And a floral piece. More florals. And florals. Oh my gosh, that is such a great kit. I'm going to do all of the things. Okay, let me stack this just slightly over here. Now, if you get, no, I'm going to move it so you can really see the bold kit too. If you get the bold kit, you get everything you've seen here, right? And then you get this too. And I'm loving what I'm seeing. So let's take a look. Let me put the goodies, as I call them, to the side. And we'll start here. So, oh, this is cool. So we've got kind of a wreathy vibe. Right? With music notes here. We've got florals over here. That is gorgeous. Love the bright white in the center because it breaks it up a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. And then the flip side, it's this gorgeous bright white background with like just delicate lace. That is fun. Okay. And then the next piece, it's all white backgrounds in this kit, but we've got this little lacy applique little area and then like mesh lace on top and then all kinds of little red hearts on a white background. There's conversation hearts in all of the colors. Like, it's just so fun with be mine, sweetheart, miss you, the conversation heart little sayings. And then music notes. Oh, this is the same as the first one. Awesome. So I have 2 of the first one that I showed you with the green. See, I should check these things. So I have 2 of each of these. So I have 2 of this, the one with the gorgeous hearts and the lacy bits. I have that. And then for this one right here, I have got the conversation hearts. Okay, so I have those. Then there's a mini frazzles and ribbons that come with it. And this is beautiful. Look at that. And then I've got this really nice, really just like detail with the gingham. Beautiful white lace. So that's mini frazzles and ribbons, which is so cute. And then we've got conversation hearts, which is great to go with this. That's super fun. I have got some butterflies. Let's see what these butterflies are doing. Come on, little butterflies. Come on. I'm sure you guys can hear Blue is getting his nap in. Very nice. Oh, these are cool. Oh, so they're like sewn together, but they're not super thick, but they really look just so dimensional. So we have 2 black and 2 white. Oh, those are pretty. That's something new. New for me. I don't know. They're very cool. Like that. And then we have an alpha. So we've got a little bit of a gold metallic, which is fun. We've got this aqua tone, which is perfect. Love that little bit of gold metallic. So if you're like me and you like some gold splatty bits, this is totally going to tie in to everything. So this is the bold kit. So everything from the main kit plus this makes it the bold kit. So that is fun. When I go to create my design team stuff, I put it all together and just go for it. Then if you get the acrylic kit, you get, first of all, a cute little piece of frazzly ribbon goodness. And I keep them and use them because they're adorable. So I have that. Let's see. So we've got this. This reads take note. Cute. And then, oh, and there's a music note in that color. Then there's music notes in those 2 shades of pink and a cupcake. Stop it. How cute. Then eat more cake. That is perfect. And sweet treat. Oh, I love this color. I love that color. See, it's the same as this little music note. Cute. And then finally we have Hope You Dance. And that is gorgeous. And me and you. So that is the acrylics kit, guys. So you've got these, and then you flip it, and you have all of these. So you guys, if you're into acrylics, absolutely so much fun with this club. So that's what I have for you guys. I will have links down below, including my affiliate link. So if you go through there, it lets them know that I sent you. If you're not into it, you do you. I'm good. And I think that's all I have for you today. So guys, I'm going to get creating, and I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.